Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make Cornish pasties. For my recipe, you will be able to make 8 Cornish pasties. Let's make the pastry first. You need bread flour, softened unsalted butter, salt, water in room temperature. Have everything ready? I'm going to make the dough like this. Add salt to the flour. Add butter to the flour. Mix them well and rub enough. When I get these fine crumbs, it's time to put them together by adding the water. Mix them well, drop down. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest for an hour. While the dough is resting, let's make the filling. You need skirt steak, 1 medium-sized yellow onion, a big Swede or turnip, 6 Yukon gold potatoes, salt and black pepper for seasoning. I chop and cube all the vegetables. The size is roughly 1/3 of your pinky. Chop the onion into the same size. You can see the core around the edge, so remove that. Then chop them into cubes. Chop the skirt steak the same size as the veggies. Now have a good mix of steak, all the veggies, salt and pepper. The filling is done. 1 hour is up, the dough is ready. Let's make the pasties. No need for kneading at this point, but divide it into 8 small portions. For the pastry, I roll out the dough and make it an oval shape. Put some filling to the dough. Make sure there's a nice mixture of the steak and the veggies. The dough should be sticky enough to seam the edge like this, without brushing any water or egg wash. I finished the crimping like this. It's not that difficult, just a practice. I make 2 open holes to each Cornish pasty. The last step before going to the oven is to brush some egg wash to the surface. My egg wash is a mixture of 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of milk. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for 40 to 50 minutes until you see the golden color. Time is up. Let's check the result. They look delicious. It's time to do the calculation. This is the price list of all the stuff I bought to make these Cornish pasties. So each Cornish pasty cost me $2.50. How about your Cornish pasty? Comment below and let me know yours. I'm enjoying eating my Cornish pasty. Thanks for watching my video.